Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I transform this basic Ikea Tarva Dresser into this. So as you can see in the first couple clips, I dusted everything off and sanded down any rough spots, and I'm going to mix together equal parts wood stain and then also this matte finish protective coating. And then I used a sponge brush to stain the whole dresser. Now the great thing about mixing them together is that I don't have to paint the whole damn thing twice, and then also having that protective product in with the stain allowed the product to be a lot more forgiving. If you stain anything, you know that you have to be pretty precise. So I highly recommend this process. You know what's really a bummer is that I have to take these drawers apart. So before I knew what I wanted to do with them, we had to use this dresser. So right now I'm taking out the drawers, and that will allow me to stain the insides of the wood pieces and then also these pieces here. Okay, so I kind of mapped out how I want these to be. As you can see, these wooden pegs are too long, so they are going to need to be cut. But you can buy these at the store. I'm not sure how big they are. They're usually color coded. These ones are blue. But they come like this, already square. And I have 94, I think, of these wooden pieces, so that allows me to have about 15 each, but I don't think I need 15. I think there's 11 on here. So I put one in the middle. There are already these little holes for the drawer pulls that they come with. I'm not gonna use these because I don't like them, but that kind of gave me the center, and then I just added these little wood pieces until I liked the look. I want it to look full but still have some space in between. I don't know if I should stain the drawer first and then put these on. I think he's gonna cut them, add them on, and then stain the whole thing. Actually, I think that is a better idea. Okay, so future Mariama here. That was not the best idea. In hindsight, I would have used a nail gun and then stained the whole thing afterwards. What happened was the glue that I was using didn't allow the stain to get to parts of the drawer, and the spaces were too small for me to sand in between them. So lesson learned, I still love how it came out. So I bought these matte black drawer pulls, so that'll go onto the drawer like this. I hope you can see that well. And underneath, and come out like this. So you can pull the drawer that way. And then all this will be stained that beautiful honey brown color. Okay, so here is me applying those pieces to the front of each drawer and using the wood glue. You can't really tell because I sped it up, but I'm also using a sander to sand off any rough edges, especially where the pieces were cut. Now, this is what I was talking about. I would have, instead of using the glue, like I said, used a gun. I did wipe any of the glue that had leaked out from the sides using a Q-tip or a napkin, but I didn't do a good enough job cleaning them off. Okay, you can see me here making some progress. I'm jumping back and forth between gluing and staining, just giving the pieces some time to dry. And then also I'm using whatever I can in my house to kind of weigh them down so that they will dry flat. Again, I wish I had used an air pressure nail gun and then just filled in the holes with some wood filler. And here is the reveal. So as you can see, You can tell where the glue was left on the front. You see those little like light colored gaps. So that's why I was saying I didn't do a great job, the best job of cleaning off the glue, but I still really love how it turned out. It has this great vintage feel that goes really well with the room that it's in. And yeah, I love it. So I hope this inspires you to do some DIYing around your home.